Alright, so we're going to move on to disassembling the mirrors so we can paint them. As you can see, I already got one done. Here's what you end up with. Plastic shell for the outside, which is perfect. And this piece, which we're also going to paint. So both of those are done on that side, ready to be sanded and painted. This one, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So the first thing I did was I depinned the connector. There's two little plastic clips. You just pop those off. And then you have to stick something real tiny down in the end, and you'll see if you've depinned a connector before. If not, just look up a little video. You got to stick something small down in the end and move a little clip, and all your wires will pop out. Make sure you take pictures so you know how they go back together. Step 2, you're going to take this little panel off right here. This will bring you out 3 more screws at the bottom. While we're down here, we're going to go ahead and take this one out. And then that'll get this piece off. So go ahead and work this off. And we're going to go ahead and work these wires out of here. So you're going to push the top of the mirror in, and then you're going to look down in here, and there's going to be like a little space where you can see a white connector in the end there. You're going to go ahead and get your screwdriver in there. And it's going to separate the mirror from the housing. Just like that. This one has some thermal paste in it. So you're going to go ahead and then this piece will be released, but just don't pull it because you got some wires here. Once you get that hanging out like that, I'm going to go ahead and loosen. Once you get those 3 out, the mirror movement piece will come out. And get those 3 screws out. Okay. And then underneath of that piece, there's 2 more screws. There's one here. You'll see them both, and one over here. We're going to pop both of those out. Just like that. Okay, and then this whole assembly will come out of here. Oh, you got one more screw on the back here. Forgot about that little guy. Now this whole piece will come out of here. So you just want to like work this plastic out, try not to stretch your wires. You can get that around there, boom. And then you don't even have to take any of this apart. So we're just going to sit that over here. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and, yep. And there we go. We got our shell housing and our other piece that we're going to paint.